Inverter power limitation. When inverter power limitation occurs, it could be due to the PV string length mismatch in the inverter or a temperature-induced derating. There are two solutions to this issue: short and long string derating handling method. Check if the derating of the inverter's BST is caused by the configuration of short and long string groups. Refer to the full load MPPT voltage range in the technical data of the inverter user manual. Adjust the string configuration to avoid PV voltage being less than the full load MPPT voltage range. Temperature derating handling method. Check if the derating is triggered by excessively high temperatures. If the ambient temperature is below the derating temperature, no action is needed. If the ambient temperature is not high but the internal temperature is high, check the inverter installation location. If the derating is caused by a temperature sensor failure, contact Huawei technical support for equipment replacement. Log into the Huawei Smart PVMS Cloud Management System. On the Device Management interface, click on Parameter Settings. Check the active power fixed value and active power percentage parameter settings. After modifying the parameters to their maximum values, observe if the device recovers. If it still does not recover, restart the inverter and collect the inverter logs. Contact Huawei technical support for further handling.